Oh, the dog keeps coming to me, and so it means the bird wants to attack me. Just wanna. I'm gonna get him in his cage. How am I gonna get him in his cage? Oh shit. You're going to your cage, bird. I can't handle this. I'm hungry. I want to make lunch, and your sneak attacks are killing me. You gotta go. Go home. Ow! No, see this way. You gotta cover yourself. Squirt, step up. Squirt, step up. Step up. Come on. He won't listen. This is. You gotta leave your girlfriend alone. Let's go. He bit through. Ow. That's it. You just leave me alone, dog and bird. Stay there. Okay? Oh my God.